Hi everyone! In this video we're going to make a rose lip balm holder. It's a super practical and cute crochet project and a beginner friendly tutorial, so I'll walk you through all the steps. You could also make it as a back charm or a bookmark. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're looking for more lip balm holder ideas, you could find the tutorials for all of this on my channel. Let's just start by crocheting the rose. Make a slip knot and chain 31. Now that you have your 31 chains, skip the first chain from your hook, go into the second one and work a single crochet. Go ahead and work one single crochet in the remaining 29 chains. Now that your first round is complete, we are going to turn our work and make the petals. So turn your work. In the first stitch, we are going to slip a stitch. In the next one, work 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 treble crochet. Now let's move on to the next stitch and work 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. Your first petal is complete, and we are going to repeat this pattern 9 more times to have 10 petals in total. To make the next petal, slip a stitch in the next stitch. In the following stitch, work 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 treble crochet. And in the next stitch, work 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1/2 double crochet. This is how your petals look like so far. Continue this sequence 8 more times until you have your 10 petals. I'm almost done with my round. I have one last petal to finish, so I already did the slip stitch. In the next one, I'm going to work my 1/2 double crochet, and treble crochet. And in the final stitch, I'm going to make 1 treble crochet, double crochet, and 1/2 double crochet, and then slip a stitch in the same stitch to finish the round. When you're done, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Thread your needle with the tail, and now we are going to roll the petals. This is the front of your work. We went from right to left. I want you to roll the petals backwards, so the front of your work is always facing you. Now that the rose has the shape that you want, go ahead and work through all the petals from different directions with your needle and secure them all together. Now that your rose is ready, we are going to crochet the leaves. Let's start by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger like this, hold it here and here, like this. Now insert your hook underneath the first line of yarn, grab the second one, pull under and twist. Grab this piece of yarn and pull through. This counts as your first chain and your magic ring is ready. We are going to work one single crochet in this magic ring. As you can see, we have 2 loops on this single crochet. Go into the second one and make another single crochet. Then work another single crochet in the second loop of that single crochet. This counts as your first triple crochet. And I'm going to mark it. And now we are going to make 14 triple crochets in this ring, so we have 15 in total. Now that you have your 15 triple crochets, hold on to the center of the ring and pull on this tail to close the center. And then slip a stitch in the stitch we marked. To start the next round, chain 2. Then work 1 double crochet in the first stitch right at the bottom of your 2 chain. Now move on to the next stitch and work 1 treble crochet. Then chain 2. And now we are going to slip a stitch in this loop at the top of your treble crochet, right here. slip a stitch here. This will create the pointy end for your leaves. Now work one more triple crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, work one double crochet, chain 2 and slip a stitch in the same stitch. Your first leaf is done. We are going to repeat this sequence 4 more times, so we have 5 leaves in total. To start the next one, slip a stitch in the next stitch, chain 2, work one double crochet in the same stitch. In the next one, work one triple crochet and then chain 2. In this loop, at the top of your triple crochet, slip a stitch. Make another triple crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, work one double crochet, then chain 2, and slip a stitch in the same stitch. Start by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this to make an X shape. Hold the yarn with your thumb and ring finger. Now turn your hand and hold the yarn with your pinky. Insert your hook underneath the first line of yarn, grab the second one, pull under and twist. Grab this piece of yarn and pull through. This counts as your first chain and your magic ring is ready. You can adjust the size by pulling on this thread to make it tighter. For the first round, we are going to insert 8 single crochets into this ring. After you're done with your single crochets, hold on to your work and pull on this thread to close the ring. For the next round, we are going to increase. This is the first chain you made. Skip that one and insert your hook in the first single crochet of the round. We are going to increase in this round, which means we are going to insert 2 single crochets into every 8 stitch. Mark the first one you make. I have 1 single crochet in the first stitch, so I'm going to insert another one and then continue on working 2 single crochet into the next 7 stitches, basically until you reach the one you marked. At the end of the round, you must have 16 single crochets, so I'm almost finished. I have 1 last stitch left, so I'm going to increase here, and now that I've reached the one I marked, I'm going to remove the marker and start on the 3rd round. From this round to the last round, we are going to insert 1 single crochet into every stitch around until it reaches the height you want for your lip balm holder. So just go ahead and continue inserting one single crochet into every stitch. After a while, your work will look like this. Make sure it's curving in this direction. So the part when you have the thread from your magic ring is on the inside, and this is the outside of your stem. After a few more rounds, it looks like this, and we're just going to continue with the single crochets until it fits it perfectly. When you're done with this stem, we're going to add the band. It would be as long as you want it to be, and it's going to stretch a bit, so keep that in mind. Make a slip stitch, and then chain as many as you want to create the band. When you're done with your series of chains, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. But don't close this last loop. And now we are going to attach the rose to the stem. Grab your hook and go through the rose like this. Now grab that loop at the end of your chain string and pull the whole thing out without closing the loop. Now insert your hook through the back of the rose, grab the loop, and without closing it, pull the chain string through. To join the band and the stem, insert your hook through that last loop, and we are going to slip a stitch right across where we started the chain from. So go through this stitch and slip a stitch. You could also make a few other slip stitches or just weave in this small tail through the stem. And your rose lip balm holder is all done. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear them.